So in this video, we're going to learn how to remove documents and data on your apps on your iPhone. In this example, you guys can see my iPhone is a 256 GB, and out of that, 147 gigabytes is currently used. And you see this red bar, red line. All of this is my applications. And if you want to see the details, these are the details. So YouTube Studio is taking 40 gigabytes out of my total space, and CapCut is taking 33 gigabytes, right? Same goes for iMovie and WhatsApp, etc. So in order to remove this data, first of all, you need to sort it by size. There are three options to sort it by size, name, or last used date. Sort it by size so you can see which of the app is using the most amount of data in your iPhone. In my example, it is the YouTube Studio app. So I'm going to tap on it and open it up. There are two options when I open it up. One is to offload the app, and then two is to delete the app. Offloading the app is going to clear the size, but it's not going to remove the documents and data. It's going to offload the app, uninstall it temporarily, but keeps your data. But if you delete the app, this is going to delete the app and erase or remove related data from the iPhone as well. This action cannot be undone. So if your data is important, please do double check before you go ahead and select this option. In my example, YouTube Studio, I'm not sure what it is keeping on it, like 33.93 gigabytes. That's a lot of data. 39.93 gigabytes. That's a lot of data. I'm going to go ahead and tap delete app. And deleting this app will also delete its data as it is telling me. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and go to settings and storage space. And you guys can see now I have 109 gigabytes free. So all of that 40 gigabytes that it was taking, it's not there anymore. I can do the same thing with CapCut, but with CapCut, it's easier because I can open up CapCut and delete my projects. That is going to remove the extra storage space that it is containing. So I'm going to go to actually CapCut. And let's just see, these are the projects that are taking space. You guys can see this one is taking 9 gigabytes, right? So I can go ahead and simply delete the project. And like that, some of the apps do provide you with that option to delete that unnecessary data from within the apps. In YouTube Studio's case, that was not the case. So I'm going to go ahead and search for YT Studio, and I'll go ahead and reinstall this app. By the way, after doing it from here, you also have to go ahead and double check your iCloud storage. So tap on your picture, tap iCloud storage, and under storage, you guys are going to see documents and data. And if I scroll down, you guys can see individual apps that are taking data, that are containing data. In my example, Photos is taking the most amount of space. I have iCloud Drive taking space. I don't want to remove data from there, but if you have an app that is containing a lot of data, that is taking a lot of data from your phone, and if you see that on this list here, you can also go ahead and remove that data from the app. But it's important to understand that when you do that from your drive, iCloud Drive, you're not going to be able to recover it because it is going to delete that permanently. YouTube Studio is reinstalled. I just need to go ahead and sign in again. This is the only problem, because when you're going to delete it, you'd have to sign in once. But that's going to free up a lot of space on your iPhone. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you learned something from this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.